Hello everyone, I'm Rohit, and I, on behalf of Zero Society, would like to welcome all the teachers to one of the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform of India, ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiative. And here we will be discussing about new and innovative techniques for the different lessons from our chapters. And in short, we will learn how to make the whole process of learning fun and interesting for the kids. And today the chapter that I'll be covering is from NCERT Board Class 1. Subject is Mathematics. Chapter number is 1 and the name of the chapter is known as Shapes and Space. The innovation that I'll be using here for covering this lesson is known as homework, that is experiential understanding from the surroundings. The main innovation behind using this idea is to make the students revise the concepts that have been taught in the lesson by relating them to the direct environment by either hands-on experience or by different observations. And the duration for this activity will be 20 minutes or as per requirement. Some of the important concepts that we will be revising with the help of this innovation are revising about vocabulary related to spatial relation, describing shapes, sorting and classification of different shapes, and learning about 2D shapes and flat shapes. We need to make sure that we have already completed the reading, the building and explaining part of the chapter, and we will use this innovation only as a means of revising the concepts that have been taught in the lesson, right? We inform the students to do the following activities at their home. They will be asking the parents and noting down the following observations in the notebook. First of all, the smallest and the biggest object available at their house and the objects that roll or slide. They will be writing all the observations in a notebook. For example, suppose in the smallest part, smallest object, smallest thing, they might write a grain of salt, and the biggest part, in the biggest part, they might write an almirah. Then for the rolling part, rolling object, they might write an onion or a football, and in the sliding part, they might write rubber or sharpener. Once the students have collected all the information from their with the help of their parents, we tell the students to thank their parents once they have taken the help from once they have completed with the activity. And the next day, when we start the class, we initiate the class with a different with the help of different questions. We initiate the following discussion in the classroom. We ask the students that what is the largest object that is available at your home. They might respond almirah, which is the smallest object available at your home, or the smallest thing that we have seen. They might respond a grain of rice or a grain of salt or sugar. Then which object rolls, which is a rolling object is found at your home. They might respond football, onion, potato, etc. Which is the thing that slides, which are the things that slides that we have noted down. They might respond rubber, sharpener, etc. Once we are done with all the students, once we have asked the questions, once all the students have answered to the questions, we appreciate the students for taking part in the initiative, and also added to that, we also provide them certain knowledge related to the concepts that we are revising. And when we start revising the concepts with the help of homework as a means of revising, it not only makes us helps the students in learning the revising the concepts properly, they will also be observing the things minutely on their own. Along with this, they will also be developing the interpersonal skills when the students will be interacting with the parents or taking help from the parents. And it will also help in developing a sense of gratitude among the students. Along with this, they will also be developing the decision making process and the critical thinking process. And for this innovation, this idea, that's all. I hope you like this video. And when you implement this idea on your own schools, then I'm definitely sure that you will be getting a lot of other benefits apart from the ones which I've mentioned. And if you want more of such videos from us, please do like, share, and subscribe to our official channel, ZIIEI. And also don't forget to download our ZII Innovative Pathshaala app from the Google Play Store. Thank you so much.